What is that, Olivia?
Cheese.
Cheese. What's Mama got? Oh, what's that?
Oh, can you hug it?
Who is that?
Doggy.
I think, is it a doggy?
Kiss
Well,
the doggy.
a present.
Olivia for a sweet granddaughter. Bringing you lots of bright, fun Valentine's wishes.
Let me see. What do you got there? Oh, can you hold it up?
Oh.
Olivia, look.
Olivia, look.
What's that?
Pretty giraffe.
Yeah.
Olivia, do you like it? Oh, yeah. Ooh, look at the pants. Oh. And your Mickey Mouse. I know, there's stickers in there. Look at that. Oh. What's that?
You got a new book?
Wow.
Ooh, is that a princess puzzle, Olivia? Can you show it to me? Look.
Should we open it?
Yeah.
Ooh. Can you put these all together? There's another one. These have numbers on them. Oh. Yeah. There we go. Good job. Can you push that down right there? Good job.
I want to.
Right there. That one.
Olivia, what's on the cover of that book?
What's this?
Okay.
Is that a monster?
Is it a monster?
Ah.
Do you want to read the monster book?
Yeah.
Okay.
My dear.
Mm.
Oh, my
Oh. Ooh. Big hungry monsters under my bed. What a pest. He wants something to eat. His tummy is growling so loud I can't sleep. He's nibbling my blanket and sheet. Oh, turn the page. Who's in the bathroom? Oh, what's that?
Ducky.
Yeah, ducky. What's this?
Butter.
Ooh. Is that a zipper?
More.
Oh, uh-oh, umbrella.
Mommy.
Oh, yeah.
So what color is that one, Olivia?
Red.
Pink.
Pink.
The page.
All done.
Last page. Okay, thanks, Nana.
Yay! Can you clap? Yay!
Can you say,
thank
Nana, I
you.
love you?
You say love you, Nana?
Olivia,
Can you say love you, Nana?
And Nana.
kiss the camera. Say, love you, Nana.
Mommy.
Mm. See, mommy?